Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to reset or restore the factory settings of a Conga de Cecotec. It is recommended to do so, e.g., if you have any connection issues with the app or Wi-Fi, if it doesn't recognize or save maps, in short, any problem related to the machine's software, or even if you plan to sell it and want to give it a completely clean slate. This process resets the Conga, erasing all configuration and maps. You need to delete it from the app and synchronize again to reuse. Doing it is simple. First, with the Conga turned on, we hold down the home button for a few seconds until the Conga emits beeps. After this, we let go of the button, wait for approximately 3 to 4 seconds, and then repeat the same procedure once more. We maintain the home button pressed for a few seconds, but this time until we hear a voice speaking to us from the Conga.
Initialization start.
Once this is done, we can release it and the Conga will be completely reset. Well guys, I hope it has been useful for you and that at least I have been able to save you some calls or trips to technical support, since that is the purpose of this, to solve any type of problem as quickly as possible. If it's been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, so you don't miss anything, and as for me, nothing else. As always, a pleasure, and until the next video.